How to allow all cookies on Samsung internet browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to allow all cookies on Samsung internet browser. First, then open the browser and then click these three lines here in the bottom corner, and after you click on it, click settings and scroll down. Here you will find sites and downloads. Click on it and then click this one here, site permissions, and here you will find cookies. Just click on it and click allow all cookies, and that's it. Now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.